Hi, I am Seema Gupta. I am the professor at Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore since last 12 years. I specialize in digital marketing. I started my career with RPG Group in sales and marketing, and thereafter I shifted to academics. I worked with Mudra Institute of Communications, MICA, and I am with IMB since last 12 years. I have received numerous awards including EFMD and IVEY Best Global Case Study Award competition organized by ISB in 2011. I am the author of book on digital marketing published by McGraw. I have also written many most popular case studies which are published on Harvard Business School publishing site, and I have also presented many papers in international conferences and many have got published in international journals. I have trained many senior and mid-level professionals in business and helped them improve their traffic, sales and conversions. I have got quoted in many articles in leading newspapers and magazines such as Times of India, Brand Equity, Financial Express or Rajasthan Patrika amongst others. My passion is digital marketing. I help companies leverage digital marketing better by training their teams so that they can optimize their campaigns and get better traffic, better conversions and better results. In my journey, many people have helped me reach where I am today, and I want to give back and help your business also grow in the same way. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, and do write a comment about what challenges your business is facing and what solutions in digital marketing you are seeking. You can also visit my website profseema.com. Thank you for watching.